Dallas Fort Worth airport. So now we have like a 50-minute layover to get to Colorado. So we are just getting to our gate.
This ain't Florida, baby.
We're 44 minutes away from the Paint Mines, and it's gonna be a good time.
Here we are. We are at Paint Mines Interpretive Park.
We are looking at a big red rock on a big red road.
We're at Red Rock. And it's Red Rock.
Day 3. We are heading to the sand dunes.
Good morning, world. It is Monday, September 7th, aka Labor Day, and it is now 8:43 a.m.
And we are just cranking out some little photos, videos, getting all our stuff together.
One day we die, all day crying. To fear, anything to give love. Fall upon the sky, the clouds catch you. But I know only that you can make these steps for free. I've lost my words, I've lost my feet. Lost my feet.
It is super windy out here in Utah. Look at the trees.
It doesn't make any sense because yesterday it had been at least 84.
90, yeah, like
at least.
So next stop, Boulder, Colorado. Let's go.
Update, it is snowing. It is 1:20.
Do we think it's gonna be a blizzard?
It's looking very snowy out. The snow is actually setting on the ground and on the road. So it's like a white Christmas, but like a white September out here.
It's this beauty mindset, there is no space, go fighting. Seems like you are blinded, all you see is grounded. But I know only that you can make these steps for free.